Okay, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for attending today's SMPS meeting. I hope everyone is in good health and ready to discuss our upcoming initiative for this semester. Let's begin with our agenda.
Thank you, Bintang. Today's agenda includes the three main points. First, the planning of our annual TEDS Festival. Second, the budget allocation for student activities. And third, the collaboration proposal with the industry partners. Each topic requires careful consideration and thorough discussion.
I strongly believe that this year Touch Festival should be our biggest event yet. Looking at the current trends in technology and the growing interest among students, we have an unprecedented opportunity to showcase our department capabilities. We should aim for at least 1,000 participants from various universities across the region.
Papa makes
Okay,
an
Nirma.
excellent point. From a promotional perspective, a large-scale festival will significantly boost our department's reputation. We can attract media attention, potential sponsor, and even create networking opportunities for our students with industry professionals. This investment in our event will pay dividends in terms of recognition and future partnership.
Okay,
I
okay, okay, okay.
appreciated the enthusiasm, but I have serious concerns about the financial implication. Our concrete budget is limited, and organizing an event for 1,000 participants would require substantial funding. We are looking at costs for venue rental, equipment, catering, security, and promotional material. Have we totally calculated test expense?
I agree with Nisa concerns. Moreover, we need to consider our human resource. Organizing such a large event requires extensive planning, coordination, and manpower. Our current team might be our helmets, and the quality of the event could suffer if we stretch ourselves too thin. Perhaps we should focus on quality over quantity this year.
Okay, guys. Let me clarify the situation for everyone. Okay, when Fafa mentioned 1,000 participants, I believe she was referring to the total attendance throughout the 3-day event. Okay, not current participants. Mama, mama, nggak cut fa. Nggak cut fa. I believe she was referring to the total attendance throughout the 3-day event, not current participant. Could you elaborate on this, Fafa? Also, Nisa, when you mention budget constraint, are you referring to our allocated fund or the total potential budget, including sponsorship?
Thank you for the clarification, Bintang. Yes, I mean 1,000 participants across the entire festival duration. We could have different workshop, competitions, and seminar running simultaneously with an estimate 200 to 300 people per day. This will make the event more manageable while still maintaining significant impact.
Clarify my question. I was referring to our concrete allocated budget of 75 million rupiah. However, you read that we should consider potential sponsorship opportunities if we can secure reliable sponsor. the financial feasibility would improve significantly. Significant.
Based on our discussion, I propose a compromise. But if we start with a more modest scale this year, targeting 500 participants instead of 1,000, this will allow us to test our organizational capabilities while keeping costs manageable. We could use this year's event as a stepping stone for a larger festival next year.
Okay, that's a reasonable proposal, Maya. However, I like to negotiate the promotional aspect. Even with 500 participants, we can still create significant buzz through strategic marketing. I suggest we allocate engko anon ya, Fa? I suggest we allocated 15% of our budget specifically for marketing and media coverage. This investment will ensure maximum visibility despite the smaller scale.
I can accept the 500 participant target, but I like to negotiate the academic content quality. We should ensure that each workshop and seminar meets high educational standard. And I propose we establish a review committee to evaluate a proposition before confirming them in our program.
Oh, I find this proposal very responsible. Maya, compromise on participant number address our resource constraints while still allowing for a meaningful event. Nirma marketing allocation ensures we maximize our reach, and Hasna quality assurance commit will maintain our academic standard.
I agree with this direction. The 500 participant target is financial viable, especially if we implement NIRMA marketing strategy to attract sponsor. I willing to work closely with NIRMA to develop a sponsorship package that highlights the value proposition for potential partners.
I fully support this consensus. While it's smaller than my initial vision, this approach is strategic and sustainable. We're building a foundation for a future growth with ensuring this year's success. I'm confident this balanced approach will yield excellent results.
Okay. Moving to our second agenda item, let's discuss the budget allocation for various student activities this semester. Nisa, could you present the current financial status?
Certainly, our total available budget for this semester is 180 million rupiah. After allocation, 75 million rupiah for the Date Festival, we have 105 million rupiah remaining for other activity. I propose dividing this among academic workshop 30 million rupiah, sponsor active 22,500,000 rupiah, community service project 22,500,000 rupiah, and keeping 30 million rupiah as emergency funds.
I appreciate the allocation for academic workshop, but I believe we should increase it to 37,500,000 rupiah. Quality additional contact request investment in expert speakers and paper materials. Could we have reduced the emergency funds slightly?
I agree with increasing the academic workshop budget. However, I also think we need a small allocation for general promotional activities around 7,500,000 rupiah. This would help us maintain priority for all our activities throughout the semester?
Okay, is clear? Next, our final agenda item is the industry collaboration proposal. Okay, Nirma, you have been in contact with several tech companies. What the current status?
I've had positive responses from their major companies, TechCorp, InnovatedSoft, and Data Dynamic. They are interested in partnership that include quest lectures, internship program, and potential job placement opportunities for our students. TechCorp spe- Tech- TechCorp specifically mentioned their willingness to sponsor our event in exchange of recommended access.
This is excellent news. Leadership partnership will provide real-world experience for our students and exchange our program practical relevance. I strongly support pursuing this collaboration. We should establish a formal framework for this partnership.
I'll draft a partnership agreement template that protects both our interests and those of our industry partners. We need to ensure that this collaboration benefits our students while maintaining our academic integrity.
Okay. The meeting final. Thank you all for the productive discussion. To summarize our discussion, well, we we will proceed with
500.
berapa 500?
500.
Apa?
500.
Iya. Say ulang. Thank you all for this productive discussion. To summarize our discussion, we will protect with
500.
500 participant text festival with a budget of 75 million rupiah. Adjust our semester activity budget to include inclusion academic workshop funding and purple formal agreement with our industry partner. Maya will circulate the meeting minutes, and we will reconvene next week to finance implementation detail. Okay.
Thank you,
Bintang.
Bintang. See you next time.
See you next
Thank
week.
you. Thank you.
See you next, guys.
Bye, guys.
Oke.
Pak, tapi mending saran